Hi everybody, and welcome back to Real Estate School. So this is going to be a really great video looking at what is real estate, a question asked by a lot of people. So let's look into it. Real estate is a common term used to describe any given piece of land, along with anything that is permanently attached to that land, such as buildings, housing, natural resources, and other permanent structures such as fences. For example, a house, pool, and shed along with the plot of land that they reside upon would be considered real estate. A natural resource existing on that property, such as oil, gold, or crops, would also be considered part of that real estate. On the other hand, furniture and items inside the home or shed would not be considered real estate, as they are movable, personal property. You can see some in the picture there. So real estate is also used to describe the business of buying and selling land and property, including all the facets of business such as appraising, renovating, constructing, managing and investing in or leasing real estate. So we're going to have a look at some of those definitions. You can catch that in the glossary folder. Hope you enjoyed this one. Please subscribe, like and share. Hit the bell for more. We're going to have a lot of great videos available for you. Enjoy Real Estate School. Cheers!